Good morning class. Today we discuss modern Mendeleev periodic table. After the discovery of radioactivity, isotopes and isobars, Moseley proved that atomic number is the fundamental property of elements and not atomic masses. Thus, Mendeleev periodic law was modified. Moseley proposed modern periodic law, which is also known as Mendeleev modern periodic law. According to this law, the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. In other words, if elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers, the similar properties reappears at regular intervals, and due to this, elements having similar properties appear after regular intervals. On the basis of modern periodic law, Moseley proposed a new form of periodic table, which is known as Mendeleev modern periodic table. In this periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. The important characteristic of this periodic table are as follow. The modern periodic table divided into horizontal row and vertical columns. Horizontal rows are called periods and the vertical columns are called as groups. There are 7 periods in this periodic table. The periods consist of 10 horizontal rows called series. The two horizontal rows of each 4th, 5th and 6th periods are called even and odd series. First period has only 2 elements is called very short periods. Second and third periods are called short periods and it consists 8 elements. Fourth and fifth periods are called long periods and it contain 18 elements. Sixth period is very long period. It contains 32 elements. Seventh period is also very long period. This period also contains 32 elements, but existence of some of them is open to some doubt. 14 elements have been placed separately below the main table. These elements are called actinides. In Mendeleev modern periodic table, there are 9 groups in total, which are represented as 1st to 7th and 0 group and not as 1 to 9. In original Mendeleev table, there are only 8 groups. Noble gases were added in 0 group later. There are 9 groups in this periodic table, including 0 group. 0 group is present on extreme right side and include noble gases, except 8th and 0 groups. Each group is subdivided into 2 subgroups known as subgroup A and subgroup B. For example, group first A and first B, group second A and second B, etc. In a particular group, elements in group A are placed on left side while elements in group B are placed on right side. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francesium of group A are placed on left side while copper, silver, gold of group B are placed on right hand side in this table. Elements of a group show similarities in their properties, particularly elements of the same subgroups. The properties of elements of different groups are different. The elements of a particular group form a family represented by group first A, second A. The name of families: first A, alkali metals; first B, coinage metal; second A, alkaline earth metal; fifth A, knocking gas former या pincogen; 6A, chalcogens and 7th A, halogen. Thank you.